Jamaican, welcome to Primetime Live. Now, what you're seeing behind me here is the area that notorious gunman, Everton Saunders, more popularly known as Red. This era is the era that he used to escape from the police. This marks the 39th murder for Mr. Saunders. The police are on a manhunt for him. Yes, Jamaica is also to note that Mr. Saunders is not committing these heinous crimes on his own. He is along with Mr. John Doe, more popularly known as Red Boot. He and his accomplice murdered individuals here this morning. The public is being advised to be on high lookout for these individuals. There will be a display of their photographs on the screen. Members of the community are saying that it is as a result of the current lockdown imposed by the JLP administration why these criminals had time to come out and commit these heinous acts. Residents of the community are also saying as a result of the lockdown and the rise in COVID-19 numbers, it's causing some tension in the community, also contributing to this spillover of violence.
I want bunny down.
Yo, tell you, daddy. There. Yo, look how work on the side. And build up much black how much and now we not pay for it.
And when the boss say money I go run?
You see, because I lockdown, the man say boy the money now come till about next week Thursday. So we'll go eat over this weekend.
You know, it's not a good idea for lockdown this weekend. Because Friday people can get paid. Saturday they have to shopping. Sunday they have to go shopping, see if you get little things. See people we can't buy like rich people.
I tell my woman, say, go on up to your mother. Go see if I can get some food for them. I'm embarrassed in one sense. I can't ever say, yo, mama, see I ever told you to help me buy some food. You know what I mean? So right now, hungry days, I go beat with. Because if your woman are gone from what they said, so it's a good thing woman is gone up. Because we're the fight to get her to eat now. Because you are the breadwinner of your yard and me, the breadwinner of my yard, said we. So if we are the provider, I will left out now. But my one's safe, you know. Because fear people them have things, they live on the hillside. You know what I mean? So them good. But me and my youth, me not go to anchor and my style that. You know if we style, because we work hard for one. So through our work, you know that's the problem I know. But if they sell some bag juice, I sell some pan we do better. We don't have money I know. But we can't do we come a month to the pan people them up man. And man have a decency. But the lockdown come sudden, but still them ensure so we get a piece of money.
A good thing say me have a good woman too, you know. You see me, because if I want to go, you made that we have. You see me? But I feel really go hard, but my woman understand things still, you know.
But what she there now?
You know she not there, she gone up her family them.
Desperate time, you know. Call for desperate measures.
That's true.
So you know, say a while ago, when I come up the road now, remember they said brown bartender girl there. He said sexy one, man, that's the one there. I see she a bag and blow up, it's a grocery to go over for your yard, you know. And when I go to the bar, go buy some liquor over there. Come back free bridge and pass through. We have to drink out of the bar. You must say, female now come back till whichever date. Till the 27th, 28th. So now you know, say she alone down a yard. She a fair yard, you know, it's a lockdown, yeah.
That same brown there, she not a mean girl, you know.
And if you beg her one drink of water and buy a drink of me, she not give you. No, she not too like it, she not as cuss, you know.
Yo, but here one now. Me not be the whole like me, you know. Me like everyone, you know.
But you may say no.
You see me?
Good, I could go down here then. Me not come then, me watch it for miles away. You go ask her for 1 pound of flour or for some food and see when you go to tea.
Like we see what she has said today.
Come down. Oh, still got say curfew make you can't come down. A lockdown time. Yeah, babe, remember say give me money to buy the things them already. I buy 10 pound of flour. Yeah, 10 pound of flour. And I buy 1 whole bag of rice coming in. When them I home back a place. I buy vegetable. I buy 25 pound of chicken. Whole heap of something I buy provision. Cooking oil, sugar, everything I buy. I buy everything, man.
Yo, yo, daddy, I laugh if you see this here, you know. Me laugh if you see this here. If you see this here, me laugh, you know. Go on, me not talk come, I saw me not time. Go on.
Brownie, what I going?
Hold on, let me come on my phone. Now come. Later, love you. Bye bye.
But you want to go and still, kind of rise up and nothing and go and I feel hungry, you know.
Big man like you. Before you go look work though. You come and ask me for tin mackerel and flour. Where me forget it from? Where me forget it from? Me not go have no money.
Deal with me, sir. Me not tell you something, he's a trade man.
Then if you're a trade man, why you not on the site?
Because boss tell me say yo some work for go on and we do it already and some more work for go on and to give you some money and we not get no money yet. And right now I feel hungry.
Right now, I'm hungrier than you. I wish somebody can give me more money. You can't ask me for tin mackerel. Tin mackerel. Look here, I don't have no money.
So you deal with me,
look
sir.
here, come out of me yard.
Come out of which yard? Why you deal with me, some woman?
Go on, where you go. You come like you're coming after me yard to make problem.
We not make no problem, but me I tell you some man hungry. Come man wake up and man hungry and say I lock down.
So wait there. So you come and talk to me like me, your mother. My response to give you anything?
You don't have to be my mother forgive me anything. You have to say you ask and the shall forgive it.
Yeah, forgiving. Right.
I saw you deal, man.
You look like your woman to you. Where you come and come?
I saw you deal, man.
But you come in on me yard and I can't style me. But you bright.
I mean, you're a brown woman. If you give man when man asks you for things.
When me forget it
you have it. You have it.
You know
your man I live rich.
And that
A man come beg on some food and I go and say, no
I
one
watch
man no
people
food.
business. Me not have none. Me not have none. Go on out of me
I saw
yard.
you deal with me.
Man, me have to call the police, you know. Go on out of me yard.
Call the police. Alright, you check the man.
Go on out of me yard. You idiot.
What are we shot?
Go on
Man,
out of me
I tell
yard.
you so late in a woman.
Go on go look
Yes,
work.
sir. Hey,
Come on,
man.
sir.
Good thieving, dirty boy. Go look work.
Alright,
Come out of me
come on,
yard.
sir.
Go on.
Go
So
out
you
of me yard. You see when you little dirty people, we are going to walk and have beg people.
I
Go
saw last
look
time
work,
man, I call
man.
man dirty man.
Go look work. We come on me yard and come beg.
Come on, man.
Me run supermarket, we come and come beg.
Go on,
Come on,
yeah,
yo,
alright.
like excitement. Come on,
Alright.
Me run supermarket.
Remember say
Me look like me have mini mart to you.
Remember say you this me.
Go on this party, go and go look work. You're big and work this now. Go look work.
Alright.
Go and go look work. You not beg too much. That's why some man no thief. Go and buy your business.
Deal with me a while ago for you. More respect you should have deal with me. Even the way that tell me still, you know. Never know she should have deal with me so rash a while ago. Trust me, she deal with me very, very rash a while ago.
But me tell you, me tell you now. Alright, but you know, this time, you do it my way. Right? Go for the thing.
Alright.
Now go for the thing set.
Go for it, you know.
So, babes, what more you say I get for nice fridge for like to stock up a place like all that done?
You know, some of the priest we could get some chicken and probably some fish, salt mackerel and thing. You see me?
No, lobster I want shrimps and I want some steak with it. If you want carry some rum and some champagne or what, you can carry it.
Alright, babes, here. Don't worry yourself. I got you covered. So I just jump in the supermarket, grab some lobster and
Make sure you
thing.
say you get the lobster. You know?
No, man, don't worry yourself, man. I got you covered, man. So I get the lobster and thing and get the rest of stuff them. See? And also I just run good on my yard.
So when you bed inside?
You know, so I don't like being and put on back the same clothes.
No, you can bed inside and relax and lay down and rest yourself.
No, man. I just go down on my yard, bed, grab the thing them and come back. Alright?
Make sure you hurry up and come back.
Alright, come on, give me a hug.
Make sure you come back, you know.
Alright, so we soon forward, eh, babes?
Alright, later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Oh, where say bartender girl name again?
Yeah, no, so I brought them in car out. Maybe she have another name too, you know.
I can buy a bar all the while, but me not call her no name. But I say, yo, sell me a thing, sell me a thing.
Go over there and say, Matty yourself.
Matt! Matt me a sell! Matt! Who said the Matt them? Cheap Matt, in a lockdown. $2,000. I'll give me some food, Matt for food.
$2,000.
Yeah.
Let me see, let me see.
Food for Matt.
How much is it?
Much I want a good Matt, man. Yeah, Wally, what long, sir? Yeah. Take your time, Wally, yeah. Okay, you not take a little pan in.
You look pretty, me like it.
Yeah, man, you can't little
How much?
Take off food. Take off food fast. Take off food. Take off food. Go in. Come on, man. Shh. Go in. Yo, body down. Okay, take a man. Come in here, man. Come in. Yo, go in. Sit down. Come in, Jenna. Lock it. You go on now. That's my favorite bartender, you know. Some of the time, you know, do you like good, you know. When I have no money, you know, I get no water. I pass. Take a look at this water now. My band drink rum. Remember?
But me serve you rum.
You serve me rum, but me have money, but you don't give you water when you don't have no money.
I know my place. I work there.
But here we know, as a bartender, the customer come first. Remember? Hello, I don't want no talking too much. You know, different from that, don't have to come about.
Alright,
You know me?
Yeah, me know you.
Yeah, to me, general of
So you know me.
I first me I see him.
So I come beg her some food and you don't give me.
My man, come make you food.
Oh, me never know say you sorry. Me can't cook your food give you now. Me can't give you some food.
What me answer? Put on your hand, man, the police. Put on your hand, man.
Hey woman, you know, say you hurt all my feelings today.
My general a ball, I come up here and me a laugh fight, but even now, last laugh best. You know what? Right now you have to cook some food for 2 weeks. Right now.
Yeah, I'm ready
so,
to cook it.
so you ready for cooking?
Ready for cooking
Ready for
right
cooking?
now. Right
You're
now.
not ready yet. So you know what? A friend in need is a friend indeed. We want food. No, we need food.
I want to make cold sweater wash me.
Friend.
And we're there for 3 days. 3 days we're there for. After lockdown we're gone. Right? So, go cook the food now. Go start get some food ready. We don't come off a thief no money for a bartender.
Right now.
Don't know
What
that.
I drink right now too, you know.
Babes,
Yeah, want me to feel something with them?
you know somebody promise you lobster and steak and shrimp and bag or something. But guess what? It's because I locked down. But if you get a piece of money, man, but you know rich. So me now can buy no lobster and shrimp.
Yeah, but a lockdown time now, but you not buy nothing.
Yeah, man, but here we can buy. We can buy some tin mackerel and some sardine and maybe a pound of flour. You know them little things and some chicken back. Can buy that and forward.
No, me don't want them there. Them they not work out. Me don't want them there.
You mean say no want that? We can't afford. Remember some done shit thing already, man, say because I locked down.
No, me don't want them there. Me don't want them there. Better things me want. You tell me say you buy steak and lobster and fish and you carry tin mackerel and chicken back. Come give me.
No, man, you know if you go on some man. We can carry thing come, man.
No, nobody come. Stay which part you there. Stay which part you there. Me don't want you come.
Why, Jaja. Alright, cool. Everything good, man.
Hello?
You know, sir, you had me there.
No, you can't run on my yard. You can't run on my yard because you can't come on my yard and I never tell you to come on my yard.
I know say you never tell me. Yeah, I know say you never tell me if you come down your yard, but me forward, man.
Yeah, but me don't want you come with no tin mackerel that not go work. You can't come on my yard and want come juke me for the whole 3 days. No, I'm not there. He's not there.
Alright, so she feels that me I left. Me I left.
Yo, food done, soon done cooking, daddy.
You mean that right now? We're hungry now.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Let me have a vision. Watch out. Fruit juice there, man. I don't feel cold enough, so let's go and cool down. Now worry yourself, you know. I must say after 3 days, I'm good. You understand? Things good.
It so good though in a brownie. It so good.
Candy!
Who is it?
Me!
How that?
Me who?
Rihanna!
Oh.
Sister!
Oh, my sister Rihanna.
Yeah.
Come in.
Oh, man, you know this so long in there. You take so long for me door.
I couldn't find it here.
Where you cooking there?
Me a cook.
Oh, God. Come, show me where you cook.
Wait there.
Yo, sit down over there, son. Hey, brownie, that's such a nice style that.
We're there for 3 days, you're there for 3 days too.
3 days?
3 days there for. Alright? We can have fun or it can get dirty. What's your name?
Rihanna.
Yeah, I'm Fire. Everything is good.
From?
We are all friends here.
From?
I'm from here, right here in the house. I am there for now for 3 days. So, but that's why I have cooperation and think wisely. Wise. Just think wise. And we survive, right? We're in a survival mode. You look good. You should carry in a bar a long time.
No, I'm not working in a bar.
Alright. But what they do, some food we are cook. We don't want no veg or nothing, because we don't eat that. But some food we eat, don't talk you know. Because look like you talk more than big sister. We don't come to kill you or do nothing to nobody. We just come for some food. It's a lockdown, and we are locked down for 3 days. You know what I mean? So, me and my virgin attend your sister yard. What say we are doing? 3 days better than for.
Really?
Oh, you sound like you have attitude, so? You think ice cream cone to them, so? And ice cream cone to them, you know?
But you can't say for 3 days.
Yeah, Daddy, yo, come on there. Come talk to that young girl there. Because I'm not, yo, sister, come talk to him now. Because I'm give me attitude like you don't know who we be now. Talk to her. Make she be wise.
She don't know
Come.
who it is.
Tell her who we be.
So we're not going to do that chain there?
Take her chain,
now.
take her chain, man.
Hey, sister, talk to her.
I'm not saying nothing when them attack.
Take out the chain.
Yeah? Not saying nothing. Not saying nothing at all.
Can I sit and train her foot for that? Right now.
That's why you want boy, man, kicking on your back here. Brown, chain her fast, quick and fast. Yo, put up your foot there, man. Put up your foot there. Close them up. Chain her like a dog. Some man deal with you and your friend and your family in a brown. Some man come beg you some food and you deal with man away. That me I tell you. A chair there we are like that with you and your sister. Hear that? Chair there like that. So me and my boss blessing idea. Chair there like that with them are too nice money. Food I cook. You're going to text along. Come like you want to let her go in. Do it fast. When you feel like you want to chain up your sister if she get where you know. Yeah, Spice and mad the whole around you know. And Shensia you know. Spice and Shensia mad the whole around you. Sexy though. Sexy, I mean, make sure you and them. Yo, check it good you know. Hey, Shensia and Spice and mad the whole around you girl you know. Me so me can go about that car.
If you like.
Right now.
Yeah, just turn on the fair.
Yes. You see me, car right now we locked down our house right now for 3 days, you know, you see me, we have 2 brownies, you know, you see me, 2 bartender, you know. Because I come beg her a pound of flour and a tin mackerel and she style me, you know, so right now we just running like we are sell carpet. You see me, so you don't know the thing about, yeah, what I go on me channel, me so we shout back forward, yeah? Yeah, because you don't know, say, in general, if you steal the pot one, me have to watch them.
So road water, turn up here, what water runs up. Up in the pot.
You know, so I'm generally calling from England the fire. I mean, I make him know, so I trade there with there like down, you know, the 2 bartender. And I just say thing, and we have cook some food.
That's a good one, see?
Yeah, man.
Right now, right now the flour doesn't cook enough.
Oh, yeah, so I'm telling you, I eat some of my food today.
Yeah, but only one thing left to do here now is to fry up. You know what I mean? But here now, bartender. You know what I mean? Just fry up the thing. What I go, I take up, look for me, man, I take up the bedroom, the master bedroom. You know what I mean? So that's the profile.
Come here. You chat too much, man. You chat too much.
You do what?
You know, see a gunman them and then come to kill we. You chat too much, your mouth go make you dead, you idiot. No say nothing when they come back around here. Keep your mouth shut. You want me to say? They say we dead. No worry about it. They have a plan for them. They have some rat poison around there. Rat poison. You poison them. Then go on like them bad. Look how me mess them up. But when they come back around, nobody chatting on my girl. They will make me lose your life. You idiot. Yo, mind what you talk say. Because them the man they and sister they not play. They serious. You know how much people. Yo, shut up your mouth. When they come back attack, no say nothing. What me say? Not even smile, no say nothing to them, no look on them. It's soon come back. You can go and do it, don't. Are you really going to do that?
Right, what do you put in there?
Seasoning.
Remember, say, are you and your sister first have to eat it? You know what I'm saying? Sister put tonight, put tonight. I'm not to line up season still. But anything you put tonight, I'm going to taste good. But remember, say, you and sister have to eat first. One work for me and you got to eat. So do one and do. Food ready, you know?
Yeah, I'm going to eat some now, you know.
But anyway, bartender, come in there.
I want to pay attitude shaggy man from there, you know.
Then I say no. Sure, someone. Sure. Well, no, sure, yeah, you must give me gun. That one. Where you go there now? Go share or some of the fish can. Make it for them taste. Come fast. Yeah, man, share some food. Can come for them. Make it a taste right. Not no worry about, you know. You're not a friend. May you friend, right?
Friend.
May you a friend too. A friend in need, a friend in need. Come in, my general. Let them taste some of the food there.
I want to first taste it.
No, give sister to them taste. The one that we answer you. Taste some of it.
I want to make sure that the food I want to put nothing in it, you know. How you look for, man, sir?
Now give sister some so this eat some.
Yeah, make sure you swallow it, you know. See, you were full of attitude. Well, right now, if me not feed you, you're dead enough you're hungry.
Lose her and which kind of my food?
Lucky said me tell her if you lose her and then she's dead for hungry, you know. Full of attitude. Yeah, full of attitude, you know.
Which one I get tried to come? Try that. You know what you do.
Hey, woman, how you do? Know what you do, you know.
Alright. Eat some of my food. Oh, you know, bury some food now. Everything good. I'm done eating now. Alright, bartender. Every time I call the bartender, what's your name?
Candy.
Go wash out the plate them and we soon have to cook one more pot. Because so we eat, we will keep a dance tonight at a party. When you're done, more send your sister go to the bar, carry the key, make sure you get some things. Because I think I have a vibe, because lockdown. Can't have boring vibes. And you go enjoy yourself tonight. If you buy gun pint, you have to dance and enjoy yourself and laugh and feel good. Me a friend.
And when did say I go again?
3 day lockdown, we're for 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
When I'm not gone, we don't have nothing else left in there, mean. We have to go cook again.
You will cook tonight. At least you don't go fat when you left.
No, I'm fat.
Alright.
Happy attitude don't have, you know.
Go on.
Yo, get up.
Wash up
Wash
your
up your plate then. General said. So, you be attitude you have, you know. Ready?
Hold on.
No, stop calling me. Hello?
Yo, babes.
Yeah, what?
Where you there? I'm still over your yard, me not left.
So why you still not call me? You still over me yard? Where you do over me yard?
Yo, me not too love how you chat to me still, no, me not lie. Yo, remember some used to buy your things, you know, man.
Yeah. I must have to do a lot down now. I can't move now. I'm do over my sister.
But you didn't tell me say over your sister there. You didn't tell me say over your sister there, you know. Yo, me come down your sister, man.
No. You can't come here, sir. You can't come here, sir. Because my sister, she don't even like it for you come here, sir. You can't come here, sir.
Yo. Alright, later. Look more.
You know what good for you? You know, say one smart girl, you work along with the program.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so. Alright, once I do that, everything good. Now all the rest, you know.
Whatever.
Bartender, Candy, come in there. We not do go too far with you, but even now, we want 2 things from the bar. You know what I mean? So you go on and now. When a time for you pay for it, you come to this, so we don't care about that. But, we send a sister go down the bar, go for the things them. Where the shop key for the bar.
Oh, yes, sir.
I'll go for the bar key, you come. That's the mission. Come with the key now, where she there?
Yeah, come on.
Alright. Where we go though? We on the bar get some things. You know what I mean? Want some rum and maybe 2 beer or jagger or whatever. Let's get more and get it.
Look here for the bar.
Ask her
The bar.
to the bar.
I want the over there, sir.
Alright.
Ready now, let's go. Oh yeah man, deal with it. Let's deal with it.
What's something for good for them?
Right now, we don't trust her in the general. We make sure we have this. The attitude you have, you know.
Okay.
Be the attitude you have.
If you live loving in the earth, we can't live so. It's not good. You have a quarter of the kitchen because I don't like the cold water.
Yo, come out of my house. Get up.
Show me. It's empty, you see empty. But this is one empty door. Good. Tell them I'm not a killer, but you're not listening. But now that you proved to me that you can't be trusted. So, tonight when you're asleep, I'm going to tie you up.
Hurry up. Doing good, Jonah.
No man, I mean I can't be a fair reason because after I go up my fake car and test her, you know. See I try to take up the gun then.
Yeah.
So where are you looking from?
Hmm?
Where are you looking from?
One more, come sing over there, so. I'm talking, come sing over there, so. Kiss feet.
Yeah, I believe I will tell myself one.
Yeah man, so you go one, type it to them. Type it to them. Can't drink, don't do it. Yeah, more padlock. He's on lane. Yeah, more padlock, he's on lane.
Yeah, I'm not more father.
How much padlock will I get? How much padlock will you use padlock down there?
Ray. A Paul man, your man.
Where come and knock down my sister door for? Yes, what I'm thinking man, where come and me and watch out with Irish for?
Listen man, me not left till me come in, me not left. I you know what, me not left till me see you.
You can't take excitement in my ear. So you go make your man know so you can't carry yourself. You can't carry yourself. So we must know, one going to pay sister, one to pay you. So do the right thing right now. Get him out of that place.
Who gonna come and me and come and watch me for? When I watch me for? How are this? What?
Yo, let me in man, let me in.
Go on. Since I in, now stay in. Since I in, now stay in. Sit down.
How are this one?
I want to ask you, can you cook?
No, me can't cook.
Realize, say, are you woman and bag of things. You push come in here, you need to come here. But right now, we're there, pan a lockdown. So we come at the bartender here, I say, everybody a pop up. But everybody a pop up, a food we a cook. A 3 days what a cooking and lockdown. What go on and know, we not kill a man. So you can food we are friend. We dey pan 3 day lockdown and we just want food and relax and drink some rum until the lockdown done. Lockdown we can't have a yard. But for now, don't run put it, because we don't want, we not dead fear of the lockdown, you hear me? We not busy about your woman, we not busy about you. If you can't cook, you don't make run some boat. But for now, don't move. You see me and Bridget, we shoot people for fun.
Yo,
if you come to the test.
Why you have a knife back?
But here now, this mission is not to hurt anyone. This food is to solve a situation. Because it's locked down and we want food. We not kill nobody. Where have neighbor? Where neighbor, yeah? Oh, tin mackerel, yo, yes, if I know one, me and your friend. Let me know.
Sit down there, sir.
Go, chin up them. Two of them.
Hold on, Panis and me, Gemma.
Alright.
Come closer, wife.
Go closer to your man.
That side I have to go back here.
No, change the both one. Change the because I'm the faster one. In the lockdown here, nobody in this house will die of hunger. Only thing we'll do is cook some food and drink some rum. And who want to have fun. So here we know. Who are in the second boat now? I must have me cook for this there now. You have a cut the nail there now. Tomorrow maybe I have a cut the nail there now. Alright. So alright then, we need some flour again. So you know say flour and tin mackerel in night here. Who no want to eat, who no veal, no van.
Yo, what they say, girl, there, my youth?
I was just going on a hospital and look, I don't see nobody.
Yo, not even no money, girl, now, my youth. I'm broke.
Broke.
Yo, oh yeah,
Straight up on the road.
yo, come in. See you, man. Feel like I can trust Red Crooks with the money?
I want to trust them boy there, you know.
Because yo, about 10 places rob already, you know, dog, and not normal, you know.
Yo,
Right now.
bro, you know what? We need to lay low. Cause about 10 places broke, you know.
Man, I tell me to lay low, brother. You know want money? You think the government will give you no money or give me no money, brother? Me have 3 pitney for mine. You me I tell you? Me have to out here. If me could have, you say, me know where boy all them people they live.
Yo, bro, anything I say, you know. You see me? Anything I say, me do it right now.
One more place, and we just split up the money and go on now, man. You me I tell you?
Yo, at which place? Different rob right now. We're more easier. Wait, the person now I'm going to do that right now.
Yo, this is bleach out bartender. Be a top sheller guy in bar, you know. And I be a big grocery and them sitting in deal with, you know. Big shopping, you know. Big place I have for have membership to go there go shopping, you know. You me I tell you? I don't them want to go right now.
Yo, you know, say man, they are foreign. Yeah?
So come on then, man. Just
Right
mash
now.
up this right now.
Right now.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these wonderful content for you guys. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do so right now. We appreciate when you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we know a lot of people are watching the channel but they're not subscribing. So for this that we're doing to grow and to reach its fullest peak and potential, we need your support to share the video, watch them, like, comment, do all the necessary things. I know a lot of time people might just say this like it's just a random thing to say, but it's not. When you guys share the video up, subscribe and like and do all the necessary things, it do help us to grow. So thank you guys for always supporting. Thanks to everyone that is always on our supporting team, in terms of Antoinette, in terms of Jules, in terms of Elaine, Damian, all the persons who always look out for us in one way or another. We thank you guys for always supporting the movement. To all the cast members who helped to make it possible, thank you guys. And if there's anybody out there that want to support what we do, whether it be through cash or through kind or through maybe just packing a barrel with some stuff, let us know. Just DM us on Richard Brown Films and we can talk some more in terms of how you guys can support the movement, because you don't know, we are in a terrible time now. It's nothing easy in terms of what we do. We have to be mindful of the fact that we're dealing with COVID. We have to take a lot of precautions, shoot less sometimes, have less people around, do all the necessary things to make sure we get content ready for you guys. So as I say, please guys, if you want to support what we do, DM us and tell us how you want to, and keep supporting what we do. And you soon see the brand new camera. Wait for the week done, and we're going to get to see it. So big up on yourself, continue to show love and support. Boom.